Hello friend, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Resham Sunar.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 36.
Okay, where are you from?
I am Nepal.
Okay, are you married or single?
I am married.
Okay, do you have kids?
2 kids.
Okay, you have two kids. How many members in your family?
I am five member.
Okay, why do you want to go to Romania?
To in money and supporting my family.
Okay, do you have any other friends or relatives working in Romania?
No,
Okay, do you smoke or drink?
no,
Okay, do you have any medical problem?
no.
Okay, are you mental or medical fit?
Yes,
Okay, are you ready for doing on-skill jobs in Romania as an agriculture worker?
yes.
Okay, do you have any experience as an agriculture worker?
10.
Okay, you have 10 years experience.
No,
Okay, show me your hands. Show me your hands. Okay, thank you.
thank.
यतापट्टि